open and log in to your Microsoft 365 faculty email. The address is linked in the description for this video. In the top right corner, click on the Settings gear icon. In the Search Outlook Settings text box, type Signature. Then click on Email Signature. The settings to add your signature will open in a pop-out window. Click on the Edit Signature Name text field and type in a title for this signature. Let's use the title UAGC. Once you've typed in your title, right-click in the large white space underneath it. You'll insert the signature you copied from the signature generator by choosing Paste in this menu. If you get a pop-up window, click Allow. Now take a moment to review your new signature for accuracy. Does the UAGC logo show up? Are there any blank spaces or spelling errors you need to edit? You can make these edits right here in this text box. Now click Save in the bottom right corner. Next, below the large text box where you pasted your signature, select the default signature you just created from the drop-down menus. We used the title UAGC, so we'll choose UAGC for both the new messages and for replies forwards. Click Save if it's available, and then close the Settings pop-out window. The final step is to test it. When sending a new message or replying, check that your new signature auto-populates in the body of your email.